Hi, I'm Coach Megan.
And I'm Coach Melissa.
And we're back with a new meal prep series for the holidays.
We know this time of year can be difficult, so we've come up with a couple of meal prep ideas to keep you on track throughout the holiday season.
To start with, we have a Mediterranean-inspired recipe. It's a sheet pan baked cod and veggie recipe. It takes about half an hour and it serves 4. So if you want the full recipe, go to our blog, Words of Wellness, and check it out.
First, you'll want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to want to gather your ingredients, so you're going to need 4 pieces of pre-portioned Atlantic cod, 2 cups of tomatoes, 2 cups baby purple potatoes quartered, and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of your oil of choice. We chose extra virgin olive oil. And you can pick your seasoning. For this one, we decided to use some paprika.
To start with, let's grab those potatoes, put them in a bowl, and toss with half of your oil. Throw those on the sheet pan and put them in the oven for 15 minutes.
Once they're done roasting, remove the pan from the oven, add the tomatoes and the cod, drizzle with the oil and seasoning, then return to the oven and bake for another 10 to 12 minutes.
After that additional 10 to 12 minutes, the fish should be flaky. Then go ahead, take it out and divide it into your containers.
Enjoy!